Have you ever thought about starting a career as a mortgage loan underwriter? Are you looking for a career that offers stability, growth, and flexibility? Do you want to break into the mortgage industry but don't know where to start? Have you ever wondered if you could learn a high-demand skill without spending years or thousands of dollars on training? If you answered yes to any of these questions, this course, Start a Career as a Mortgage Underwriter, is exactly what you need. Hi, I'm Joe Correa, and I've spent years training professionals to succeed in the mortgage industry. In this course, I'm going to guide you step by step through everything you need to start your own career as a mortgage underwriter. We'll answer the big questions. What does a mortgage underwriter actually do? What skills and qualifications do you need to get hired? And how do you land your first job in this rewarding field? In this powerful course, you're going to learn the fundamentals of mortgage underwriting and the critical role it plays in the loan process. How to analyze credit reports, verify income, and assess risk like a professional. The exact steps to build a standout resume and land your first underwriting job. And even where to find companies actively hiring with their contact information included. By the end of this course, you'll have the confidence to navigate the underwriting process even with no prior experience. Save time and money by learning only what you need to succeed with practical tools like templates and checklists, because there's a lot of expensive courses out there, but you don't need that. You'll also discover a career that offers job stability, remote work opportunities, and a clear path for growth. Whether you're transitioning careers or just starting out, this course is designed to fast track your success. I actually created this course to make mortgage underwriting accessible to everyone, no matter what your background. It's concise, beginner-friendly, and packed with real-world insights. And here's the best part. You're completely covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't love this course, you'll get your money back, no questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Don't let uncertainty hold you back from starting a stable, well-paying career. Click on the button below to enroll now, and let's get started on building your future as a mortgage underwriter. I can't wait to see you succeed.